Sri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Today we are going to see algebra exercise 3.6. So exercise 3.6, first question, factorize the following. We are going to factorize. Here we are going to use sum and product method. Sum and product method. Okay. See here, x square plus 10x plus 24. First, the sum equal to the coefficient of x is called sum. The coefficient of x is called sum. So here 10. Okay, along with the sign we have to write it here positive, so plus 10. Then product equal to, product is the multiplication of constant and coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. So 1 into 24, what you will get? 24. Please children, you try to understand what is sum. The coefficient of x is called as sum. The product is multiplication of constants and coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 1. There is no number means it represents 1. Okay. So 1 into 24 equal to 24. Okay. So sum equal to 10, product equal to 24. Here both are positive only. Okay. So we are going to find the possible factors. Okay. So first you write 24. What are the factors are there? 1, 24. Then 2 12s are 24. 4 6 are 24. Then 3 8s are 24. Okay children. So these are the factors. In this, which is the suitable factor? First we need to find out. Okay. So for finding the suitable factor, we are going to use this table. Okay. See here in this, sum is positive, product is positive means bigger number positive, smaller number positive you want to put. Okay. So likewise sum is positive, product is negative means bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Okay. Sum is negative, product is negative, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Okay. So sum is negative, product is positive, bigger number positive, smaller number also positive. So we are going to use this table. Okay. Here the sum is 10. Okay. You see here 1 plus 1. Suppose when we add this, we will get 10. 1 plus 24? No. 2 plus 12? No. 2 plus 12 you will get 14. So it's not possible. 4 plus 6? Yes. 4 plus 6 you will get 10. Okay. 3 plus 8? 11. So which one is the suitable for this? 4 and 6. Okay. After that we see the sign here because both are positive, so that we are going to put plus sign only. Okay. So both are positive. Sum positive, product positive means bigger number you want to put positive sign and smaller number also positive sign. Okay. So here 4, 6. Okay. So what is the factor here? X plus 4 and x plus 6 because both are positive. Here sum also positive, product also positive. So both the number we should give positive. So x plus 4 and x plus 6 is the answer. So what is the answer? X square plus 10x plus 24 equal to, what is the factor? X plus 4 into x plus 6. Okay children, do you understand this? First we need to write sum and product. After that write all the factors. In that factors which is apt for this, that we need to find out. using this tabular column. Here both are positive, so that I added and found it. Okay, 4 plus 6 here only we are getting, so that 4 and 6 is the factor for the given questions. You understand, children? See the next one. First write the sum equal to, here the variable is z, the coefficient of z. Okay, the coefficient of z is sum. So sum equal to 4, product equal to multiplication of constant and coefficient of z square. Here what is that? There is no number, means it represents 1. So 1 into minus 12, what you will get? Minus 12. Okay, first write the factor 12. 1 12s are 12, 2 6 are 12, then 3 4s are 12. Okay, so when we add or subtract the numbers, we need to get the sum value 4. Okay, before that you just put the sign. Okay, here sum is positive, product is negative. See the box. Here sum is positive, product is negative, means bigger number positive, smaller number negative we want to give. Okay, so sum is positive, product is negative, means bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Here you just give the sign, bigger number positive, smaller number negative. Okay, now here sign are different, so we have to subtract. Okay, while subtracting, whether we are getting 4 or not, we need to see that. Okay, 12 minus 1, what you will get, children? 11. So you will not get it. 6 minus 2, what you will get? 4 plus 4. 6 is the greater number. The greater number sign is positive. Okay, greater number sign is positive. So plus 4. So this is the suitable factor. Okay, 4 minus 3, what you will get? 1 only. So this only is the suitable factor. Okay. So what is the factor we are getting? Here variable is z. So z minus 2 and z plus 6. So z square plus 4z minus 12 equal to z minus 2 into z plus 6. Do you understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. The third one is p square minus 6p minus 16. First you write the sum equal to minus 6. The coefficient of p is called it as sum. Okay, minus 6. Along with the sign you have to take. Then product equal to the multiplications of constants and the coefficient of p square. See here, what is the coefficient of p square, children? 1. Okay, now you multiply this. 1 into minus 16, what you will get? Minus 16. First find out the factor 16. 1 into 16, you will get 16. 2 8s are 16. Then 4 4s are 16. After that, what do you want to do, children? We have to put the sign. Okay. But see here sum is negative, product also negative. Okay, see the tabular column. Sum is negative, product also negative. So, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Okay, here sum is negative, product is negative. So, bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Okay, so negative smaller number positive. Okay, here both the numbers are equal only. So in this, see here, -6 you want to get. Okay. So here in this category, you have to take it any one is positive, one is negative, because both are equal only. So you have to alert for this. Okay. And see here, -16 plus 1. What you will get, children? -15. Okay. And see here, -8 plus 2. What you will get? -6. You are getting the sum. Here, -4 plus 4. What you will get? 0. Okay. So you leave it. So which is the suitable fact here? 2 and -8. Okay. So P plus 2 into P minus 8. Okay, children. So what is the answer? P square minus 6P minus 16 equal to P plus 2 into P minus 8. Okay. I repeat this. Here sum equal to -6, product equal to -16. So here both are negative. So bigger number negative, smaller number positive. You just give the sign here. Here both the numbers are equal. Same number you have it. So in this case, any one you have to consider as negative. Another one is positive. Okay. Because bigger number negative, smaller number positive. Here both the numbers are equal. So any one you should give it here. Okay, after that what you want to do, just you add it, what you are getting, whether you are getting the sum or not, you have to see that. Okay, so -16 plus 1, what you are getting? -15, but sum is -6, so this is not suitable. Here -8 plus 2, okay, what you are getting? -6, so this is the suitable factor. So here P plus 2, P minus 8. Do you understand, children? See the next one. Factorize the following. 2a square plus 9a plus 10. Okay, the same. How you did the first Roman, the same model only. This sum also, but here what is the difference? The coefficient is there. In previous question, the coefficient is 1 only. Here the coefficient 2 is given. So little bit changes will be there in this. Okay, listen carefully, children. Sum equal to, what is the sum? Coefficient of A. So 9 plus 9. Okay. Product equal to multiplications of constants and the coefficient of A square. So 2 tens are 20. Now write the factors, all the possible factors you should write. 120, 2 tens are 20, 4 fives are 20. Okay. Now here both are positive. Sum also positive, product also positive. So both the numbers are positive only. Bigger number also positive, smaller number also positive. Okay. First find out the factor. When we add this, where you will get 9. 1 plus 20, 21. So this is not suitable. 2 plus 10, 12. So this is also not suitable. 4 plus 5, you are getting 9. So this is the suitable factor. Okay, but here you want to do one more step. What do you want to do? You have to see the coefficient of A square. Then what is the coefficient of A square? 2 is there. So you want to divide this factor by 2. The previous questions, the coefficient of x square or some other variable is 1. So that we didn't do that step there. Because any number divided by 1, we are getting the same number. But here the coefficient of A square is 2. So you have to divide by 2. Okay. 4 by 2, 5 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Okay. Here we can't divide this. Okay. So what you will write? A plus 2 Another one is a plus 5 by 2. Okay. So a plus 2, just cross multiply. 2a plus 5. So what is the answer, children? 2a square plus 9a plus 10 equal to a plus 2 into 2a plus 5. You understand, children? Okay, children. See the next one. Second question. 5x square minus 29xy minus 42y square. Here two variables are there. X and y is there. Okay. So as usual you do, children. First you write the sum. Sum equal to minus 29. The coefficient of xy is called as sum. Product equal to multiplications of constant and the coefficient of x square. Here constant term, it has y square also. So you have to multiply the first and last terms. Okay. So you have to multiply the coefficient of y square and the coefficient of x square. Totally we have three terms. The middle term is represent sum. The first and last, the multiplication of first and last term, third term, it means third term. Is called it as product because only we have three terms only. Okay. So here the first term is coefficient of x square, the third term is coefficient of y square. So both the terms we need to multiply. So 5 into minus 42. So 5 2s are 10, 0, remaining 1, 5 4s are 20, 20 plus 1, 21. Plus into minus, minus. So the product is minus 210. Here sum is negative, product also negative. So in this case what you will do, children? Bigger number negative, smaller number positive signs you want to put. Okay. Okay, children. In previous questions, the product is very simple number. But here 210 is bigger number. So in this case, what you want to do? Just you do the LCM. Through the LCM, you find the factors. Okay, this number is divided by 2. 10 2s are 20, 5 2s are 10. Then 5, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 3, 7. So here what are the factor? 2, 5, 3, 7. Okay. So what you will write, children? 210. So 1, 210 you can write it, or else 2 5s are 10, 3 7s are 21. Then other 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 5 7s are 35, or else 7 2s are 14, 5 3s are 15. So these are the factors. Okay. So here sum is negative, product also negative. So in this case bigger number, negative sign you want to give. Okay. So bigger number you should give negative sign. After that just you add it, what you will get? You want to get minus 29. Okay. See here minus 210 plus 1. What you will get, children? Minus 209. Minus 21 plus 10. What you will get? Minus 11. Minus 35 plus 6. What you will get? Minus 29. Okay. So minus 15 plus 14. What you will get? Minus 1. So this is the suitable factor. Okay. What is the suitable factor? 6 and minus 35. Okay. 6 and minus 35 is the suitable factor. So 6 and minus 35. After that, what you want to do, children? We have to see the coefficient of x square. Except 1, whatever number should be there, you want to divide this factor. So here 5 is there, so divide by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 sevens are 35. Okay, children? So, what is the factor here? Minus 7 and another one is 6 by 5. Okay, but see here two variables are there. Okay, first what you will write first? X minus 7y. Next, x plus 6 by 5. Okay, so x minus 7y, cross multiply here, 5x, sorry, here y also will come. Okay, because two variables are there. Here x square, y square. So xy you want to put. Okay, when we multiply this, we will get y square. X into x, we will get x square. Okay, so 5x plus 6y. Okay, so what is the answer, children? Five x square minus 29xy minus 42y square equal to x minus 7y into 5x plus 6y. You understand, children? I repeat this. Here sum equal to minus 29, product equal to minus 210. You write all the possible factors. After that, here sum is negative, product also negative. So bigger number negative, smaller number positive. So you just alert the sign. When we add this, where you will get minus 29, you have to see that. When we add minus 35 plus 6 only, we are getting minus 29. So this is the suitable factor for this given question. So after that, we need to see the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is 5. So divide by 5, what you are getting? X minus 7y into x plus 6 by 5 into y. Because why I am putting y? Here first term it has x square, last term it has y square. Okay, when we multiply these two terms, you want to get the same quotients. If you put y only, you will get y square. So that x minus 7y, x plus 6 by 5 into y. Okay, so x minus 7y is cross multiply 5x plus 6y. So this is the factor. You understand, children? Thank you, children.